In 16th century England, a simple sneeze sparked a deadly stampede, revealing how superstition could ignite chaos in an instant. Imagine a bustling market, where hundreds of people gathered, their minds clouded by the belief that a sneeze signaled impending doom or possession by evil spirits. When someone sneezed, panic erupted like wildfire, the crowd surged in terror, desperate to escape the supposed curse. This mass hysteria turned a harmless bodily function into a catalyst for tragedy, leaving several trampled and injured. The incident illustrates the immense power of superstition over the human psyche in an era where science had yet to dispel such fears. Superstition and fear intertwined, leading to an unforgettable moment in history that serves as a stark reminder of how easily panic can spread when reason is overshadowed by irrational beliefs.